It's Sebla's first cleaning day! 1, 2, 3. What's the news?
And then they just pass out.
I'm sorry, where are you going?
Wait, they can't eat oil? Oh, he's typing while I'm looking at it. Oopsies. He's eating it? Oh, yeah, Hannah! Oh my god, Hannah!
My man is about to fly away with the shit. He's like body slamming it. He's like body slamming it. He's trying to break it. Oh my god, he's literally throwing it. He's throwing it on the floor to make it smaller.
I think he's taking it for his babies.
I'll give you a bigger piece.
No, you made him fly away.
Know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
Oh, look. He met up with his gang.
He met up with his gang.
Look, he met up with his gang.
Okay.
Gang, gang. Hey, they grubbing.
He took the chip.
My
His
man's
friend
got
took the
robbed.
chip.
What the hell?
His friend took the chip.
Tells not to feed them?
His friend took the chip.
Oh, I see. They're
Oh,
right
look.
there.
Oh,
Oh, they flew.
My man is hitting.
he dipped with the chip.
He's selfish. Oh my god, from him?
He dipped with the chip.
Hey, sweetie. Where'd the other one go?
Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet.
She really said tweet tweet. Yeah, we got you.
Hey.
We got you.
My man. Hey!
He said he's not gonna steal it this time.
We going to the cribbo.
There he is.
Oh, he flew back. Oh,
Hey!
Oh.
They beefing. They beefing.
oh, they want to fight over this.
We real life got these birds beefing.
Oh,
Oh my gosh!
Hannah, give them their own.
No!
Leave them alone, bro.
Leave him alone!
Bruh, leave them alone. Everyone can get their own, honestly.
I'm sharp. Y'all can all get
But
it.
y'all are being so eating.
Okay, sweetie. Oh my gosh. They're literally hiding in the cut.
I'm literally trying to get this one out. He's running away.
All right, we're officially loitering now.
Okay, we're done.
Dude, we're definitely littering it.
And Sebla is just there.
Why you just let your cousins fight like that?
Oh.
Oh, Hannah tried it.
Hey, Ross move.
Can you look over there?
That ass, that ass, that ass.
Hey, twist for us, hand.
That ass, that ass. She bad, she bad, she bad.
All right, twist for us, Sebla, twist for us.
That ass, that ass. She bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad.
Oh my gosh, guys, birds again. I told you. I told you. Hannah, you're literally gonna start a war. No, no. He's scared of Sebla. Sebla, they attack! I told you.
Oh my god.
Why is there another whole gang over there?
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Guys, literally. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Stop.
Get back to
This us. Our squad. And there's the guys.
Oh, he cannot eat that all. You're mad selfish.
Yo, take it from my hand, bro.
Take it from my hand, bro. Oh, she's crazy.
No, no, no.
She's crazy.
Sebla,
Oh, she's
no.
crazy. They're gonna bite her.
Sebla. Oh my gosh.
I want to see how close they come.
He made a noise. I told you. No, stop. There. They are so crazy.
Oh, ew, he just moved. Ew. Yo, there's one right there, bruh. Homie, there's one right there. Watch out, right in front of him. He'll find the rest. No, it's right there, you blind bat. Are they blind? They don't want to go down. Here.
Where's Hannah at Scuba?
In the car, she's in the car.
What was that thing I did? They all trying to eat good. They all trying to eat good.
Oh my gosh, look. The guy squad came up.
Oh no.
Y'all trying to match? Y'all trying to match? Oh, they're all leaving.
My buddies! You don't want to see the birds before? Hey. What's this? Oh, nah, bro. Oh, nah, bro. Nah, homie. Oh, nice.
Ew, he just pooped.
Nah, there's gum on my shoe.
Sebla.
Danny, not scared?
I am. That one just pooped
Where?
on the floor.
Where?
Like it was little.
That was funny.
Like he was trying to play it off.
Cause we...
She's literally got gum stuck in her shoe.
How did she get gum on her shoe?
20 minutes later.
Let me see.
Is it almost off?
Alright guys, and now we're on our way to Tyson!
We're gonna go shop for some clothes.
They're probably tired of me. 1, 2, 3.
What's up,
Wait.
Do you love
Alright guys, so
up.
today...
Gang picture, Head up.
Oh,
I'm about to put us on my Finsta.
Finsta?
so we just head to Ross, and
she said we just
now
had a
we're about to
Ross.
go to Tyson's Corner. Again.
We love Tyson. I'm sorry. That shit recorded and fell.
Okay.
We back in this joint like we never left.
Why you had to laugh like that? Dana, do the laugh.
And she said,
Yo, Hannah could do it really good too. Hannah do it.
That's her normal laugh.
someone can you pay attention?
She's literally taking 100.
I took 3. Oh, you can take a picture within a video?
Yeah, you use that little button.
Hold up. No, but you just gotta be closer to the camera.
We have to
Gotta
charge
get-
it.
Like, it only works when you're up close though. Get closer.
How close do we have to get? I'm about to just hop into Hannah's side.
Hannah's literally glowing. I know, right?
Stop. Oh my gosh.
Alright, I think we're done.
I think that's our cue.
Yeah.
I think that's a sign from God.
Okay.
He's wet. Alright guys, so we're here at Tyson's. The girls got some candies. We're gonna go ahead and walk around and we'll see what we find.
– 20 minutes later.
Bruh.
'Cause Some trash.
Yeah, keep going.
Bitches ain't shit and they ain't saying nothing. 100 mother can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap.
One pimpin', I be getting hit, period. I don't know nobody. I don't know this part, yo.
Don't embarrass, it's okay.
Got my top.
He's embarrassed, guys.